Let's go now to the two critical concepts that we wanted to mention in regards to data privacy. So number one is data residency. Essentially, where does your data live? So it refers to the physical or geographical location where data is stored. Key points to note here is that it focuses on where data lives physically. This could be a data center, a server, a cloud region. Then organizations may choose specific regions for compliance, latency, or policy reasons. And finally, often this aspect of where data lives is controlled through cloud providers, cloud provider region selection. Let's go to the second principle, which is data sovereignty. Data sovereignty refers to the principle that data is subject to the laws and governance of a country where it is stored. The key points here is it is concerned with the legal jurisdiction over that particular data. Then if data is stored in a country, it must comply with the country's regulations, e.g. the Data Protection Act of 2019 in Kenya. In European region, you have the GDPR, or the General Data Protection Regulation. Then eventually, with sovereignty, data sovereignty, governments may have legal authority to access or regulate that data. So as a quick example, let's say you are a startup and you are a Kenyan startup in healthcare, and you store your data in servers in Ireland on a cloud platform. Then it is safe to say, with regards to our principles, that in regards to data residency, that Ireland is where the servers are, and therefore that is where your data is resident or domiciled, right? Data residency. Then data sovereignty. The Irish laws and those of the European Union, say the General Data Protection Regulation, apply. It is as simple as that.